seeing classics. 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. One owner car, clean Carfax. Has not been tracked. 885 miles is all in this car. Plum crazy purple, as you can see. Of course, underneath the hood, the 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi SRT Demon engine. 8-speed automatic transmission, and you can see front fascia, free of rock chips. This car is literally like it just came off the showroom floor. If you want to check out the still pictures, take a look through those. You'll be able to see the window sticker, exactly how this car is equipped. It's easy to do that than me go through every option in this car. UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on the link down below this video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us. Please call with any questions. 507-386-1726. It does come with the crate and all the contents that the owner would have received when he purchased this vehicle new. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. Cloth bucket seats, center console. Beautiful car. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. As you can see down the passenger side, there's no nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, out of a collection, bought brand new by the original owner. Is now at UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out the website. Nothing to hide on this one. If you wanted to have a third-party inspector come take a look at it, if you can't make it yourself, maybe due to distance or time, not a problem. Open door policy for those guys. Try to represent our cars as fairly as possible to walk around videos. And of course, all the still pictures on this car. And again, you can see driver's side also. No nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint looks beautiful, as well as the interior being like new. It's what you'd expect with 885 miles on it. We will start it up, let you hear it run, take a little peek underneath the hood. And again, for all the options, it's the easiest. Go ahead, take a look at the window sticker. That'll be in the still pictures. Let's fire it up. Surprises, no check engine light, service engine soon light, anything like that. As you can see, red key is active. Slip around behind this, you hear it run. Car, not easy to come by. If you're looking at this car, interesting in purchasing, you know that. I'm going to pause this a second, get the hood open, we'll check that out, wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Of course, the air grabber hood, underside of the hood is clean as the rest of the car. There it is. Quite the power plant. Again, 6.2 liters, supercharged SRT Demon engine. And remember, one owner. Clean Carfax, never been tracked, driven very little, and kept in a collection. Now available to purchase. 2018 Dodge Demon. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, just click on that link down below the video if you're seeing it on YouTube. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.